Hey guys, welcome back. Just want to get a quick video out for the end of the year 2020. It is a cold day out here in the garage, but we're going to do this anyway. First of all, this will come out on the last day of the year of 2020, which is also my wife and mine's anniversary. So happy anniversary to you, lovely wife, even though she never watches these videos and will probably never see that. I want to thank you all for breaking that 1K subscriber barrier. It felt good. It felt good to get that done. So thank you guys for doing that. You know, 2020 has been challenging for a lot of us, so there's no better way to handle that than to suck it up and just get out there and fix stuff, right? So obviously next year, a lot more fix-it videos are coming. Also going to break out and do a little more mini-series types videos, kind of like the way the mini truck is today. We're going to do various videos spread out over time about the restoration, I'll call it, of the mini truck, even though it's not a true restoration, but you know, the rebuilding of the mini truck. We're going to go into 3D printing 101. That's a new series we're going to do, kind of just to share with you guys the things I learned as I got into 3D printing over the years, because you know, a lot of that I just had to figure out along the way. There's nothing out there start to finish that's going to tell you how to deal with 3D printing issues. So more, you know, mini series, I'll call it, on that. We're going to cover the JankBot a lot more, which is, you know, it's just a 3D printer you make out of conduit. It's a Piper 3D. I'll leave a link to that in the designer below. Alex, he's a pretty cool guy. Haven't met him in person, but he's got a great Facebook group. So if you want to learn how to build 3D printers, you never know what you're going to run into, right? I think what 2020 has taught us is anything can happen, right? You know, we could not get parts to fix our current things, our 3D printer, or we need to 3D print parts to fix some of the things that we have, right? So more 3D design videos, obviously, and as we grow into that skill, and just learning new skills and taking on new things and trying new things. There's going to be a lot of that on the channel. A lot of nerd-related, and I mean that in the nicest way, right? A great way, right? I'm a geek. I'm a nerd. I'm going to keep building those skills and then share them with you guys. I hope you guys are hanging in there. I hope it's been as good a year for you as it has for me, considering everything that's happened. It's still a great year. I'm still glad to be here. You know, 2021, we're going to make even better. So thanks for watching. Appreciate all you guys, and we will see you next time.